here we're gonna just lightly cook our bacon. And this is going on the pecan stuffed burger. And we're not gonna cook this all the way done because we just want it pliable, so keep a close eye on this. I'm gonna flip this burger, that tuna burger. Ooh, it looks so good. All right, I'm gonna flip this bacon and you can see it's getting a wee bit brown. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the pan now because I really don't want that to start getting crisp and brown because I'd never be able to get it wrapped around that burger. I'm gonna let it rest there and we're gonna put together our burgers. And the filling is so interesting. I told y'all earlier that just when you think pecans were just over the top, they keep getting better. I'm back to my old tricks here. I'm gonna use a half a stick of butter and some grated onion and some chopped pecans, some fresh parsley. And once again, that butter's real soft. It's gonna taste like roasted pecans in the center of these burgers. I'm gonna put some salt in it because I love the saltiness of a pecan, so that's gonna make it savory. I think I'm even gonna put a little pepper. Ooh, these are gonna be delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so it can be cooling. All right, so what we're gonna do is take our patty, put about 2 tablespoons of our filling, and then we're gonna take the second patty and place on top of that, and we're gonna seal the edges and just wrap it around there. If your bacon is shrunk up too much, you can just kind of tug on it. All right, these are ready to go into the oven. Now we're gonna actually broil these rather than bake them. Put those on the pan, and you'll need to watch these pretty closely because that broil heat is pretty hot. I've got some over here that's already ready. Oh, look at that nice burger. All right, now you want to make sure that you remove the toothpicks. Oh, look how good that looks. All right, so I've got my pecan burger, got my tuna burger. Look how good that looks. Look at that. It's delicious.